Welcome back, enthusiasts about crypto, people that just like to make money. I am bullish on crypto, yes, and I will show you my trades here. My Bitcoin trade's not doing that well, but I've got a good stop in place. I'm not going to take up so much of your guys' time, so we'll just get right on into it. First one I'm going to talk about is Ethereum, because Ethereum is the one that I'm the most bullish on. Let me get rid of, actually, I'll leave it on there so you guys can see. So we're above this support level of 1300. We need to stay above that 1300 level. Every time we keep touching it, it's a chance for it to break through or break down. And for a lot of sellers, and this is why the market's been going down, is it's been a, hey, I'm going to load up on shorts as soon as we get close to that 1300. It's important that we have broken above it because it shows that, hey, the buyers are in control rather than the sellers. So let me zoom in on the daily here. You can see that I've got a trade in that is just under the $1,300 range. I got in at, $2,995, right? And that's just because I'm anticipating a breakout here. Let me look at the volume level. Volume has been declining, which for me is about 60% of the time a big move happens after volume declines. And where are my price levels? Because we're stuck in this silly ass range between, what is that, 1200 and really 1350, right? And as of late, it's been 1330. But I believe because of October is primarily green, I think there's just been so much FUD in the market where this is all consolidation. Either we're going to see a major move down or we're going to see a big move up. And my own sentiment is that we are not going to see anything lower than what we saw back in, was it May or June? Here, let me get rid of that. June of 870 as far as Ethereum. I think that's all over with. The CPI numbers, inflation, interest rates are still real high. It's going to take a little while with quantitative easing, that sort of thing. But I feel like we're only going up from here. And if we can break above this $1,400 range, there's no telling where Ethereum could go. The next level really is that 1,400. Then after that, here, I'll just put it on the chart here so we can see. Right? That's the next major level of resistance. And so I've got a price target of at least taking some profits on this trade right at 1,400. I will leave probably, I want to say half, maybe a quarter of it open to have another pump up, because the next level is, look at all these touches here. The next level for Ethereum is 1,600, right? But if you want to hear a case on the downside, we break below this trend line down here, which is right around the $1,300 range. We could be seeing 1,200 real quick, but I don't think we're going to break much below it. If I'm going to my Bitcoin trade, right? Because, that's the guy that I'm losing the most on. And because I felt as if that 19,500 was going to be a level that it would bounce off of and we would kick off from there. And no, it was really the $19,000 range again, right? Let me get rid of this guy again. We can see volume is going down again. So the consolidation is happening. Consolidation, volume's going down. A big move is happening. Is it going up? Is it going down? Right? If it goes up, that first level is right around the 1950, right where my trade is entered, right where I've got this little guy right here. If we can break above that line here, you guys, probably hard for you to see. If we can break above this line, well, then where are we headed? We are heading to the $20,000 range again, right? And if you've seen me on Around the Blockchain, and I've been talking with some traders that have been doing it a lot longer, they have some sentiment that this guy could be going to 25, which is up in this range, right? That is up in this range. I don't think that we're going to be seeing a new low of 17,500. I just don't think so. But there is good reason to believe, hey, we've got one touch here, we got two touch here. If we do break down again to about that $18,000 range, that is a good entry for a lot of people to go short, right? Because there's that 3 massive touches. But there is so much touches on the resistance level of this 19,500-ish range that I just feel like we're going to break above it. And then lastly, I will tell you about my ADA trade. ADA has just been getting hammered, right? Hammered. And what I really been looking for on ADA is I've been looking for a bounce from kind of catching the bottom, which is not the best thing, but this has been a big move all the way down here to, almost basically new lows for ADA. So I entered in, right around 35 and 18 cents. Well, it's actually 35 cents, but 35.18. So pretty right around 35-ish. And my price target is right around 42 is where I'm going to take profits first off, because boom, boom, boom. That's the major level. If we look here, I'll just leave that guy out. If we look at all the volume down here, boom, that's a strong level. The next level obviously is at 52 that I have on this line here, but we need to get back in this range. Which I think price will slow down once it does. This to me just seems overexhausted. I am on the daily again, and look at the stochastics, right? This is that famous market cipher green circle dot when this sucker crosses. And again, volume is going down. So those are my thoughts for today, October 20th. I hope all you guys have a good day, right? I'm here to help you guys make some money. So please like, subscribe, helps with the algorithm. I know nobody really wants to be talking about crypto or trading or investing right now because everyone just keeps getting